Well, hello there. I'm the Ranger, and today we're going to do a test on this tent. Let's begin. Cut. Well, hello there. I'm the Ranger, and don't forget, I'm a fictional character for this channel. So anything I say can be fictional in your own mind. Thank you. I hope you enjoy the show. Well, I was challenged to do a water test on this tent. Is the Wish tent from Wish. Alright, I'm 5'5", and it's pretty large for those who's asking about it. So if I'm 5'5", and I got plenty of room inside. So let's do this water test. What I'm going to do is just close it up and spray water over it. Then we're going to go inside of it and check about the water. You see here, I got a little flap, so while you're inside your tent, you better hope this flap is down. Water, air pockets. It's been a while since I opened this tent up, but we're going to make sure we have all our areas closed. Only thing about this tent I don't like about, you gotta go outside to close and open your windows. Alright, let's begin our water test. Alright, our first test, we're just gonna spray it down like it's raining. That's really heavy rain right there. I'm gonna spray around the corners. Remember, this thing is not fully employed. Alright, I'm going to turn it around so I get the other side. Now I got to watch the pockets. The pockets are made to go so if I go on the side, it's not doing the test correct. That's more of like a rain storm there. It looks like the water is beating right off of it. Alright, now let's go inside and check and see if there's any water inside of it. Alright. It's really nice and wet, but it looks like it's beating off of it. A little couple taps. If you're inside this camp or this tent, a couple little taps will knock all that water off. So there you go. The water is just like beads right off of it. So I guess there's a protective layer of raincoat on there. So a few shakes, the water's off. Alright, let's go inside of it and see if there's any water inside. Alright, check the rain fly. I see water in the area right here. Bring any water down if we have any water. I see a little bit of water beads right here inside, but that could have been when I opened the door. I'm going to go ahead inside and take a look. You can come with me. All right. It is wet. It's not sopping wet, but it's wet. I wonder if I sprayed inside the windows. It looks like water is coming from the beads right here. Yeah, but I feel damp. I got water all over the bottom of this tent. It has water on it. So if you're going to use this as a emergency shelter, I recommend not use this tent as emergency shelter. If you do use it, put a top layer on it. I believe the water soaked in every crack here. So that's where I think the water got into my tent. Well, there you go, folks. I did a water test for you. When I used it out there in the woods, it only had condensation, and I did love it, but it didn't rain on me. I didn't like using tents anyway during the storms or vice versa. Look, all these seals could be the point where the water got into. So maybe if we sprayed this beforehand, you might have made it. So there's seals on both sides. And this is the side it got hit with water. And this side, it got like a loop, a lap. See how the water's going into that seam. So the water could have sucked in right there. But it was a rainfall. So we had to think about that too. It was a rainfall. I used a garden hose and I sprayed it really heavy. So there would probably be a difference from real rain versus the waterfall that I just did. So you might be able to still use it for rain, because I didn't think about that. I did spray the hell out of it with heavy water, especially around here. Look. Now, probably regular rainfall, it might have got off, but that's the chance you got to take. All right, I'm the Ranger. I hope you like this, enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. They do help. See you in the next video.